We get home from spraying the boat off. What'd we get, KK? What'd we get? What'd we get?
Shoes.
Shoes?
And
Waders?
waders.
And I ordered a backpack. I'll do it.
Yeah,
Anyways, these are neoprene waders. For like, I'm going to Mexico in December, and I reached out to Kyle Booker. They make these boots, wader boots. Kyle Booker, KyleBooker.com. But anyways, I want to brag on them. The packaging was amazing. These are top notch, A class. Back up, baby. You want to unzip it right here? Unzip that. Pull. When you open it up, it's good. It's got another pocket. It's got a spring thing to hook, say, your wallet or anything you don't want to fall out. You would